Yeah, so this is the problem I got with the Big Knob Studio Plus is this shit. You know, it's hot right now, you know, going in. So you can't get no audio going through already to something that's already hot. So, man, that's a big problem. Yeah. Anybody know a fix for this shit? 'Cause I so don't. It's crazy. I only had this joint for maybe what, almost 2 years, and it's already down. Like, come on now. I got a smoke-free studio. You know, this shouldn't be happening. You know, here's the power supply and everything. But I'm wondering why it's doing that. You know. So I don't know. Did something come unsoldered or something? Bad cable on the inside. Circuit board, motherboard all jacked up or something? Come on, Mackie. This ain't cool. We gotta find a solution. Yeah. I know somebody else posted a video about their stuff. Same exact problem, but their lights was all the way up. So this is a big problem with these joints evidently. You know. If you got a fix for it, man, let me know, man, so I can get this joint back working. Overall, man, it's, you know, saying this, man, the quality, the sound quality that comes out of these joints, and you just being able to, you know, do your direct monitor and everything, you know, turn up the headphones and knock the music so they can hear themselves in the headphones real good and everything. You know what I mean? Everything basically was, you know, was popping in the joint. You know what I mean? You know, everything sounds good in the joint. It's just that problem right there, man. How do you know? How do we fix that? Anyways, you got a solution out there, man. Let me know, man. Other than somebody might say, man, burn that joint. But yeah, man, I got the Apollo coming, man. So we're gonna rock with that. If this